Hello, teacher. I am so glad to see you again.
It's nice to see you again too, Turbo Girl.
Teacher, I have a question which I have been wanting to ask you.
Oh, what is it?
It's about multiples and factors. I know they are different, but somehow they seem to be linked in a certain way. I just can't place my finger on how they are linked. Can you help me, teacher?
You are very observant to notice that there is a connection between multiples and factors. I shall show you how multiples and factors are related in this lesson. Turbo Girl, can you form a multiplication sentence using these three numbers?
Let me see. I have got it. 5 times 8 equals 40.
That's right. As you know, multiples are obtained by multiplying a whole number by another whole number. Look at the multiplication sentence. What can you say about 40?
40 is a multiple of 5.
Yes, to be more precise, 40 is the eighth multiple of 5.
Teacher, can I also say that 40 is the fifth multiple of 8?
Of course. Now look at the multiplication sentence again. What can you say about the numbers 5 and 8?
Since 5 times 8 equals 40, both 5 and 8 are factors of 40.
Well said. So now can you tell the relationship between factors and multiples?
The product of two factors is the multiple?
Yes, you've uncovered the answer to your own question.
Teacher, can you ask me another question on factors and multiples so that I can be absolutely sure that I am clear about them?
Sure. Can you tell how are these numbers related in terms of factors and multiples?
I know that 5 times 7 equals 35, so both 5 and 7 are factors of 35. 35 is a common multiple of 5 and 7.
Good. What about the number 2?
Well, 2 is neither a factor nor a multiple of any of the three numbers.
Very true. Now that you've understood factors and multiples, would you like to try solving a problem?
Yes, I would like to use what I have learned to solve problems.
Listen carefully, Turbo Girl. I have baked 21 butter cookies and 48 chocolate cookies. If I want to pack them such that there are equal number of butter and chocolate cookies in each bag, how many bags of cookies will I have?
Teacher, I can't solve it.
Let me explain it to you. We can make use of factors to solve this problem. Let's start by finding the factors of 21 and 48.
The factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, and 21. The factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 48.
The factor 3 is common for both numbers. Thus, I can pack the cookies equally into 3 bags.
So simple?
Why don't you try packing them and see?
Okay, I have here 3 bags. To put 21 butter cookies into 3 bags, that means putting 7 cookies in each bag. To put 48 chocolate cookies into 3 bags, that means putting 16 cookies into each bag. You are right. I have managed to put equal number of each type of cookies into each bag.
In this problem, the number of each type of cookies is the multiple, while the number of bags and the number of each type of cookies to go into each bag are the factors. The common factor 3 represents the number of bags. Since 3 times 7 equals 21, the number of butter cookies in each bag should be 7. And 3 times 16 equals 48, so the number of chocolate cookies in each bag should be 16.
Factors and multiples are so useful and interesting. Teacher, thanks for the very interesting lesson today.
You're welcome, Turbo Girl. Are you clear now about how factors and multiples are related?
Multiples of a number are obtained just by multiplying that number by a whole number. The two numbers that are multiplied together are also known as factors. Multiples of a number are at least as small as the number itself. Factors of a number can only be as large as the number itself.
Yes, do remember that factors and multiples are very useful in problem solving too. Well, that'll be all for today's lesson. Have fun!